What's up, guys? It's true. We are leaving the farm, but only for a couple days. Even that couple days when you live on a homestead where you raise livestock, have animals to take care of, and even run a microgreens business like I do, which is year-round, it can get pretty challenging when it comes time to wanting to get away from the farm for a couple days. We are leaving bright early in the morning, and today I've just been running around like crazy, thinking of all the things that we need to take care of and do and check on and make sure everything's good in order for us to leave. So, even though living on a homestead, having a farm, running your own business has its, oh, kitty, has its benefits, can be challenging at times when it's time to go on vacation or have a long weekend with your family. So today I'm just gonna share with you all the things that I need to do to get ready to leave when it comes to running a microgreens business and taking care of the animals on your homestead. So it's just a good day to follow along and check out all the things we need to do before we can leave the farm. So one of the best advices that I can give you when running a microgreens business, or any business for that matter, is to teach someone how to run it that's not inside your family. Because when you travel, you're traveling with your family. Even though it is nice to have your family members inside the home know how to run your business so they can help you out, so you always want someone outside of the household to know your systems and know how things work and know how you run your farm, so that when it comes time, sorry, my cat's scratching me. He says he needs attention. So when it comes time to leaving the farm for whatever reason, if it's on family vacation or to go visit friends or just to get away, you can feel calm and relaxed and at ease while you're gone, that someone knows how to take care of everything that needs to be done. Isn't that right, Bear? We're gonna have to teach someone to really love on this kitty when we're gone, because he needs his attention too. Now when it comes to running your microgreens business, you need someone to know every single thing that you do, from planting to watering to unstacking, even harvesting. All of those daily tasks that you do can land on the day that you want to be gone. And like I said, since I grow year-round, I need someone to know all those things. So I went ahead and got all of my orders in for the week, and I'm going to prep my trays and my seeds. I'm gonna get them measured out and all ready to go, because my nephew, Dakota, actually knows how to plant. He knows how to fill the trays. He knows how to do the watering and take care of that. He knows most of what needs to be done in order to run this business while I'm gone. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it super easy for him. I'm gonna measure out my seeds now. I'm gonna get my tray count ready for him. So when he comes tonight, he can go ahead and fill the trays with the soil, get them prepped and ready to go, so then he can go ahead and plant for me while I'm gone. He knows all about stacking the trays. He knows about unstacking the trays. He even knows about watering the microgreens and what to look for. So that's so important when you're running a microgreens business and it's time to get away from the farm for a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and give Bear to the boys because he needs some snuggles right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my seeds pre-measured out so they're all ready to go on planting day. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these seeds pre-measured out. And you know, it's always good for someone else to know what's going on your farm or homestead, because you never know when an emergency could happen as well. So you just always want to be prepared. Next thing you want to do is make sure that you always have your trays washed and cleaned and dry and ready to get your tray count in order, get them laid out on your tables if that's what you're using, and possibly prep the trays with soil, or if you've taught someone how to do that, that's always a plus as well. So I'm gonna get my tray count out and ready for him to come and fill the trays. One thing I do recommend, if you're growing vertically indoors and you have grow lights, definitely put them on a timer. This is definitely a must, and it'll eliminate that task for you or anyone taking care of your business. So typically I have my lights on around 12 hours Also, if you're growing indoors, you will have a dehumidifier that you need to worry about. So always make sure you have a good system in place there. This is kind of what we do. Okay, I think I have everything set up and ready for my microgreens business. Now, when it comes to livestock, you can see here we actually raise sheep for our family, and we have one lonely chicken. If you've watched our videos, we have Penelope. So, things to think about on your homestead. Like right now, we could possibly be having some mama sheep have babies. So we just want to make sure that the person that's coming to watch our homestead just knows to keep an eye out and make sure everything's okay. You always want to just double check your fencing, make sure there's nothing down. You want to let your person know if you have egg-laying chickens to collect your chickens, because right now with the temperatures dropping, you know, you don't want your eggs freezing. So always make sure they know just different things like that to keep aware of. Also, one thing I'm going to do is check my animals' water. I'm going to fill it up before we leave. Do that now, and then that's just another thing. You want to make sure the person that's keeping an eye out knows to watch for all these things and make sure your homestead is safe, your animals are safe, and everything's good. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this up, and then I'm going to go check our feed situation and make sure. I do know we need to get cat food. So we'll be headed to town to get cat food, and I think we're good on the dog food, and just check on all the things. So I'm gonna go ahead and get things going here and see what else I need to do. So with the temperatures dropping, you want to make sure that the person always checks the water and make sure it's not frozen. Last night we had a little bit of snow, and I think we have more snow coming in. So that's just one more thing that you need to add to your list to make sure it's taken care of. Hi, Penelope. Hello, girl. You gonna hold down the fort while we're gone? Okay. I really hope the mamas don't have any babies while we're gone. We always really enjoy coming out and seeing if there's a new baby and making sure everything's okay. We do have some mamas that are pregnant, so. No babies till we get back. Oh, I'll take that. Thank you, Penelope. So if you guys have been following our journey, you also know that we branched out of my microgreens business and started teaching people how to grow microgreens with a microgreen grow kit. So that's the next thing I need to do. I need to make sure all my orders are filled before we leave. I don't like to have any orders sitting there waiting on us. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some kits together and get them packaged up so we can get them in the mail. If you're new here and you don't know about our microgreen grow kits, let me tell you a little bit about it. We love microgreens so much, just so much, and think that everybody in the whole world should be growing microgreens, a superfood right on their kitchen counter. We wanted to make sure that everybody has access to this superfood, this easy growing crop that only takes 10 days to grow in the smallest space, grown from anywhere. You can grow it indoors right on your kitchen counter. We love microgreens so much, and we think that you should be growing them too. Get 2 sets of bootstrap farmer trays. We have 3 varieties of seeds that's gonna go into the microgreen grow kit for you to grow for your family. We have some booklets here that just touch base on what microgreens are, and it touches base on how to grow the microgreens. We also put in this awesome little quick reference grow guide so you know what you're doing each day. A cute little canvas bag that I have another local small business woman make for me. You get beginner soil, so as soon as you get your kits, you can just start growing right away after you watch my videos. I also have 4 videos that are specific to growing microgreens, and I walk you through the entire process, very thorough, from sowing the seed to harvesting the plants and everything in between. So if you haven't checked these out yet, please go to barefootmicrogreens.com and grab you a microgreens grow kit. We also want you to continue to grow and use our kits, so we offer seed reorders. And if you help us reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, we only have a few days left, to teach you how to grow a new variety of seed, and we want to offer new varieties. Help us reach that 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, so we can come out with a new variety and you guys can continue to grow these healthy, nutrient-dense food right on your kitchen counter. Grow superfood for your family, for your community, for everybody. Everyone can grow microgreens. They're so easy. You guys should be growing them. And this is definitely what I grow during the winter months when I can't get out in the garden. So it's actually perfect for any age, for anybody, in any situation, anywhere. So go grab you a kit, and we'll get it out to you as soon as possible. I'm gonna get these kits together so the people that have ordered can get their kits and they can start growing right away. Okay guys, we are headed to town now. We're gonna run to the store. I gotta get some cat food and I need to get some snacks and stuff for the boys. Living a healthy lifestyle like we do can be challenging when you're traveling, but you just have to be prepared. So I always love to pack healthier snacks for our family, for the boys. And you know, when you live this lifestyle, you pretty much pack your entire house and take everything with you.
Literally everything.
Literally everything. So we're headed to the store now and we're gonna get some goodies, and then we're gonna get home so we can get packed so we can be ready to leave the farm. Living life barefoot is gonna hit the road and we're leaving the farm.
And remember to like and subscribe to our videos.